Before you drive anywhere today, check this one car seat adjustment that could make a real difference in your child's safety. Most parents don't even know it exists. Adjusting the crotch buckle on a car seat involves moving the metal anchor beneath the seat shell to a new slot. The buckle must sit snugly against your child without resting underneath them. Always route the anchor through both the plastic shell and the seat pad to ensure safety. Step-by-step adjustment guide. Follow these steps to adjust most standard 5-point harness car seats. Loosen the harness, unbuckle the seat and loosen the harness straps completely to give yourself plenty of slack. Recline the seat. Recline the car seat to its fully reclined position to easily access the underside. Locate the metal anchor. Reach under the front of the car seat and locate the flat metal clip, or retainer, at the end of the crotch buckle strap. Push through the shell. Turn the metal clip vertically so it aligns with the slot. Push the clip up through the plastic shell and the fabric padding until it is free. Thread into the new slot. Choose the slot that best fits your child, closer slots for infants, further slots for toddlers. Insert the metal clip down through the desired slot in the fabric, followed by the plastic shell. Secure the anchor. Pull the buckle strap upward from the front of the car seat to ensure the metal clip lies completely flat against the underside of the plastic shell. Never skip this safety check.